this younger generation, and even some older people, man. I'm sitting back watching people laugh. They're giggling, they're joking about this impending snowstorm that we're about to have. See, the thing is, I'm a little bit older now. I'm 41. But I remember back in third grade, we had one hell of an ice storm. An ice storm that crippled the community and lasted for weeks. See, I lived with my grandparents, and they had something called fuel oil. Big tank behind their house that ran their furnace. It ran out. They thought it was full, it wasn't. We had secondary heat. We had kerosene heaters, and we had enough fuel to last maybe 2 to 3 days. It ran out. And see, the thing is, there was no power to get more. But here's the kicker. You couldn't get out to get more if there was power. It was that bad. Now, if you look outside now, it's sunny. It's like 50 degrees. That's exactly how it started back then. I was outside playing. I was a kid. The next day, the snow was taller than I was in third grade. I remember my grandpa trying to get up the driveway in a van, ditching the van, then using this truck. His truck got ditched. Then he used a tractor. Tractor got ditched. So after we ran out of heat inside the house, we had to sit in the vehicles outside and run those to keep us warm. Now that struggles. So when people get on here and they laugh and they giggle, they joke, they don't understand that we have a lot of back roads here. They don't understand that there's a lot of older people on these back roads that don't have a lot of resources, don't have a lot of heating resources. So when I get on here, I say, man, check your generators, make sure they're running, change the oil, make sure you got enough gas, get you enough groceries for a week. People are laughing about it, man. I've lived through it. I've been through it. You guys ain't. It's better to be prepared than not to be prepared. But what do I know? My daddy always said the lessons in life that are learned, the best lessons, are the ones that are found out the hard way. And we're about to see.